Net unrealized profit was rejected. The entrance into the euphoria zone earlier this month, a near miss of the blue zone, does not rule out significant further growth for Bitcoin. After a similar event in 2017, BTC increased around 900% before hitting the top. We can see on this chart how this is absolutely amazing for the coming months, guys. We'll be discussing this chart in today's episode, and also we'll be seeing the BTC price. Everybody is talking about this descending triangle. Are we going to break to the upside or to the downside? We'll be looking at different support and resistance areas in today's episode, and also the Ethereum price is looking extremely bullish in this ascending triangle, and we can see there's a huge amount of volume around the $1,220 levels. We'll be discussing also which direction can the Ethereum price go in the immediate short term, and also the ETH BTC chart. We talked about this in my last episode, the Ethereum BTC chart. This is extremely bullish. As you can see, we have this huge accumulation phase, the cup and handle, or the shoulder, head and shoulder that I discussed in my last episode. I have opened a trade here, a swing trade for the long term. I'm going to have it open for a couple of weeks. If you are interested in trading the Ethereum BTC pair, you can do it on Prime XBT. I'll be leaving links in the description of different leverage trading platforms. But if you want to trade the Ethereum BTC pair, you can do it on Prime XBT. You deposit Bitcoin and you can trade all different type of commodities and pairs like Ethereum BTC. If you use Bitcoin sensors for the promotion code on Prime XBT, you'll be getting up to 50% of your deposit. If you deposit 1 Bitcoin, you'll be getting 1.5 BTC to trade with, guys. I'll be leaving the links in the description. And thank you very much for my last video. I got 60 likes. Make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe if you haven't done yet for coming updates, and let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoin Sensors, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I am not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the chart. This chart is the net unrealized profit loss. This chart, what it means is when we hit the blue area here with the light blue, we can see this is the euphoria phase. This is when the Bitcoin price is at its peak point. We can see on 2013 and late 2013, we did hit 2 peaks here, and we went into the blue, light blue area. This is the euphoria phase. This means that everybody is in a profit. Everybody's buying and buying and buying, and the price just skyrockets, and everybody's in the profit because the price continues to go up all the time. And this means that at some point, there is people that are going to take profits and they're going to sell the Bitcoin in this case. So this means that the price will go down. So this is what happened also in late 2017 at the peak of the bull run. We hit the euphoria phase, which is the light blue, and then the price had a turnover because the price just went absolutely bonkers here. As you can see, it went through the roof, and this means that everybody is in a profit. The price is at this highest point, so there will be a moment where people start selling their Bitcoin, and then the price will have a turnover. As you can see, from the beginning of 2017, we hit the light green here, and this is almost touching the euphoria phase, and we had a correction, as you can see here on the chart. So this is absolutely normal in a bull run. Once the euphoria is just beginning, then we'll be hitting multiple times the green zone, and the price will continue up until we see this blow off top. And we can see in 2021 we just hit the green zone just before hitting the euphoria phase. We're having a nice correction now, so this is absolutely great news. I do believe we still have months and months to grow for the price of Bitcoin. And obviously in the red here we can see the orange. This is the amount of wallets, the amount of people that have bought Bitcoin. They are in a huge loss. These are people that have bought in the peaks, and while the price goes down, we we can see the unrealized profit and loss. Most of the people are in a loss when we hit this red zone, and this is exactly when you need to buy, when most of the people are losing, and you need to sell when most of the people are buying. So this is kind of the psychological investment mentality that you need to have. Checking out the BTC US dollar chart, we can see that we are in this descending triangle. We've been here now for almost 3 weeks now, since the beginning of January. So we are looking for an explosive breakout. A lot of people are turning bearish by looking at this pattern. This usually breaks to the downside. I think it's up to 70% of the times. But we can see on the volume profile, most of the volume traded around these areas is $30,000 up to $35,000. This could be buying pressure. Remember, we've just broken all-time highs. Once you break all-time highs on any commodity or asset, usually you have a quite a big bull run. You don't just go up, break all-time highs and come back down, and especially in the case of Bitcoin. So I'm just thinking that we're having a nice correction. We might drop off to these levels. Yes, next levels I'm looking at, if we break from this descending triangle, is the $27,000 range, or as you can see on the volume profile, and this is a nice support area, so a lot of buying pressure here. But then the $23,000, $24,000 area, this is when Square came in. MicroStrategy was buying loads of Bitcoin. He was telling this on the news. Also, PayPal entered here. So huge amount of Bitcoin bought here, and these guys are not going to sell. They're going to hold their Bitcoin. So this is a potential bounce support going to go to the upside. Guys, checking out the Ethereum US dollar chart, we can see it's extremely bullish looking. We can see also on the volume profile, most of the volume here is traded at $1,220, and this is without breaking all-time high, which is at $1,440. So these aren't selling orders. People are not going to sell. We are just getting ready to break all-time high for Ethereum. So I'm expecting I'm just going to tell you the bullish case scenario, and this would be breaking all-time highs and going up to the $2,000 levels in the coming weeks, guys. I do not see the Ethereum price breaking this support area and coming down to the $1,000 or even the $800 levels. Guys, I think we are looking for a potential breakout in the coming days. Checking out the Ethereum BTC chart. This is the Ethereum against Bitcoin. So usually Bitcoin, well, looking at the past, Bitcoin has performed better than Ethereum since the beginning of 2018. This is when Ethereum peaked in the last bull run, and then Bitcoin was getting more dominance, so Bitcoin was performing better than Ethereum. And usually when we see these round bottoms here, this is a huge accumulation phase, so this is looking for a potential breakout to the upside, and we did break out this resistance area, which was absolutely huge. As you can see, we've got multiple points hitting here, one there, another one here, and we just broke out now. So this, I'm extremely bullish for the Ethereum BTC pair, and I've actually got a trade open on Prime XBT. I'll be leaving links in the description, guys, if you want to get an amazing bonus. You just need to click on the Prime XBT exchange link in the description or the pinned comment. You'll be receiving up to 50% bonus added to your deposit by using promo code Bitcoin Sensors. But if you just want to trade Bitcoin US dollar or Ethereum US dollar, you can use Bybit. They've got an excellent promotion code here. If you use JACKPOT, you can get up to $620. All the information, guys, in the description or the pinned comment. This is going to be it for today's episode. If you haven't checked out the Bitcoin Sensors website, we've got great tutorials and reviews on how to buy, how to store, even how to trade Bitcoin safely, guys. You want to check it out. I'll be leaving the link in the description also. And if you haven't seen the best tutorial of the JUJEX leverage trading platform, I'll be leaving a video popping up on your screen. A massive thank you for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next one.